Hey everybody, welcome back. We're not at the mill. Behind us is an existing shed that we're gonna actually end up crunching up with an excavator in the next couple of days. In the meantime, we have to clear some trees, make some space. They're gonna push a lot of the soil back, bring in some stone, because the winter, believe it or not, is shortly coming. It's around the corner. And then Andy's gonna back the camera up and I'm gonna cut some trees. Thanks as always for watching. We appreciate it. That's the first go round of trees getting cut. We have a ton more to take down on the backside. Excavator will be here in the morning to lift these up, and we'll put them into the trailer, buck them up, get everything out of the way, and go from there. As always, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciated. Don't
be
forget
safe,
to
be
like
subscribe.
Now
Hello,
start again.
everybody. We're back at the mill. Stop talking like a weirdo.
Is an existing shed.
You gotta start over because I was talking. That's it, bro.
I know it's on.
It's all going on,
No.
dude.
Don't.
Bro, this is all going in, dude. Finger guns, finger guns, finger guns, finger guns.